In this course, we're going to cook 2 eggs over medium. Spray canola oil. Procedure is basically the same as cooking 2 eggs over easy. You're just going to add probably about another 4 or 5 count to it. Over medium should be able to cut into it, have a little bit of run, but not very runny. We're going to wait for our whites. Most of your sticking is going to happen after you flip it. If you flip it too hard, the eggs are going to break, and then it's going to be, then you have to start over again. You want your pan to be able to move around a little bit. So now that our whites are getting cooked here, we don't want to brown them. We want to give it a little flip. Then maybe like 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9. You can always check too. As soon as they start to tighten up a little bit. There you go. Those are nice little medium eggs.